Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rustin, the dance prof, and some of you have asked about what flooring I use, so the whole purpose of this video is to teach you about the flooring I use and also some other options in case you're considering buying some flooring of your own. And everything that I'm talking about in this video is going to be linked in the description box below. So first off, the flooring that I use are 3/4-inch plywood sheets, and they cost me about $14 or $15 a piece. And I shop at both Lowe's and Home Depot, and you can find them both there. The pros that I like about the sheets is that they're cheap to buy, they save space, they're relatively portable, and they're also relatively inexpensive to replace. I use black Gaffe tape to tape the plywood sheets together, and what's nice about it is that it's really durable and it's adhesive, but yet when you remove it, it doesn't leave a sticky residue. Just be prepared that you're going to have to spend about $15 to $20 per roll. The second option I can tell you about are plastic tiles. Similar to the plywood sheets, they're portable and they're relatively inexpensive. They're going to be more expensive. You're dealing with several 12 by 12 squares that you have to piece together like Legos to lay on the floor. Some cons to the plastic tiles is that they sound pretty awful, I would say. It is a real inexpensive way of getting some flooring down for a large room, but just know that it's not hardwood. The third option I can tell you about is a company called FASFOOT. I haven't used this flooring yet, so take what I say with a grain of salt, but I've been eyeballing this product for a while, and what I like about it is that it is flooring built by tappers for tappers. And granted, if you're an Irish dancer, if you're a clogger, whatever kind of footwork you're into, it's going to be able to work. It seems like it's designed more for street performers. It's portable, and it seems to be only one body space wide, so you won't be able to travel a whole bunch, but you can connect some of these together to make a larger floor. The downside of the flooring is its cost. That one sheet is about $168, and if you go for the extra large, which is about 2 sheets wide, that's about $399. Yet again, just check the link in the description box below. You'll be able to see all the dimensions. You'll be able to see a video of someone dancing on it, so you can kind of get a feel for what it is and the things that it can do. The last option, which is the most expensive option, of course, because it's permanent, is installing a dance floor. The pros are the sound quality is going to be better because you're on a sprung floor. The cons, of course, are the price, because now you're kind of designing something for your house. So to recap, if you want something temporary that you can pull apart and put back down depending on the needs, if you're like me and your kitchen is also your dance floor, then go with the plywood sheets, go with the plastic tiles, or if you have some money to spend and you want something quality that's going to last a long time and sounds good, then go with FASFOOT. I think it would be a great product. You probably won't be disappointed because, in many cases, when you pay a higher price, you are getting something of higher quality. So don't be afraid to spend more money on things if you feel like it's a good choice for you. Lastly, if you are designing something for your house or for a studio that is going to be permanent and you want it to be good quality and to protect you and your students' legs, then go with something more professional that's installed and really well done. So there you have it. I hope that was helpful for you. Just remember to subscribe if this is your first time, and stay tuned for more dance-related videos.